You've been lied to about YouTube. Everyone says get 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 hours of watch time, then you can make money. Forget that. I made my first $500 on YouTube without a single subscriber and without joining the partner program. Want to know how? Stick around, because I'm going to show you the exact system I use to turn views into dollars on a brand new Faceless channel. When I first started, I spent weeks editing videos, stressing about thumbnails, and obsessing over analytics. For what? A few likes, zero money, and a whole lot of burnout. I remember refreshing my AdSense dashboard every 10 minutes like money would magically appear. It didn't. Then one day, I found a video with only 6 uploads, barely any views, but a product link in the description. I clicked it, found a $97 course with an affiliate program, and that one moment changed everything. The real secret isn't YouTube ads. It's about monetizing attention, not your channel. Let me say that again. Monetize the attention, not the channel. I uploaded a product review, optimized the title, dropped my link in the description, and that one video made $534 in 7 days. No subscribers, no monetization, just strategy. Let me show you how this is done. Step 1, pick a pain point, not a product. Don't just promote any product, solve real problems. Find problems people are actively searching to fix. Here are some examples. If you can't focus, promote productivity tools. And if worried about kids, promote parental control apps. Want to lose weight? Promote home workout programs. Browse different forums like TikTok comments and Reddit threads. Find the complaints and you are all set. Step 2, make bridge content. Don't just sell, solve real problems. Here's how you do it. Call out the problem. For example, I couldn't sleep until I tried this. Share your experience of how you found the solution and do a walkthrough of how it works. Make sure you add your call to action. I'll leave the link to what helped me below. People will trust stories of real experience, not sales pitch. The third and final step, boost visibility with smart SEO. You don't need 1 million views, you need the right views. Use free tools such as vidIQ to find low competition and high intent keywords. Use Answer the Public to discover what people are asking. Use rapidtags.io for auto-generated YouTube tags. And ensure your title, tags, and description include the same keyword to help YouTube rank your video. One of my videos only got 2,000 views in its first month, but earned $800. That's the power of a high-converting product. End-of-funnel traffic and problem-solving content. You don't need monetization, you need a strategy. If you want the exact structure I use to make these bridge videos, click the link in the description below, where I've created a free downloadable checklist that shows you how to pick the right product. Write a compelling script and optimize your SEO. You're not waiting for monetization. You're building a system that pays you from day one. I hope this tutorial provided massive value. The blueprint is now in your hands. The only question remaining is, will you be one of the few who push through all 3 stages to reach that breakthrough success? Remember, this business model works. It's simply waiting for someone consistent enough to claim the rewards. Why not make that person you? Oh, and before you go, I have been using these 3 dumb ways to make money online in 2025 that I found. The video will be somewhere on the screen. And if you found value in today's breakdown, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell because I drop these money-making banger every single week. Until then, see you in the next one.